Hello Rust Club and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to install the Mario Kart Wii hide and seek mod. And so what we're going to be needing for this video is an SD card and a soft modded Wii. And once you have those things, I'm on this link and you can just search up the download for this mod. And then once you are on this page, you're going to get to on the site, you're going to select download all. It won't take that long to download, and it will download almost instantly, depending on how fast your computer is. And then you're just going to open it up in its folder. And then you're just going to open it up, and then just drag that whole folder onto the root of your SD card. And then just go to your SD card and open up that folder. Then go to HNS zip, and then drag both of those onto the root of your SD card. Once that's done, you're going to go back to the Mario Kart hide and seek folder, and then you're going to select the iOS patcher, open up the HNS folder, and copy everything inside of it. And then just drag that onto the already HNS folder you have on the root of your SD card. Once you have dragged those onto that folder, you're going to go back to the ISO patcher, and then you're just going to take the wat and build.dat and draw it and put it onto the root of your SD card. Then what you're going to do is go back to the Mario Kart hide and seek and then go to the Revolution. Then drag the Revolution into the apps folder. And if you don't have one, you can just make a new folder, all lowercase apps. And then once you have everything, just delete the Mario Kart hide and seek folder from the root of your SD card. And once you have that, we're ready to get back to the Wii. But before we do that, you just got to merge the Revolution files as you just saw. And then you're just going to open it up and then drag that onto the root, and then discard or delete that original one so that we have merged the Revolution. You can't really merge it on Chromebook, so that's just my way of doing it. And now that we've done all of this, we can head over to the Wii and start playing the hide and seek mod. Now that we are over on our Wii, you're just going to go to the homebrew channel and then just select start. Then you'll see Revolution and just select it and then click load. Next, Revolution will begin to load and load up your mods. Make sure you have the Mario Kart disc in, because without it, it will not load and you must have it to run the game. And once it loads up the mod Mario Kart hide and seek, you are just going to, where it says hide and seek, you're just going to click enabled, and where it says my stuff, just select HNS. And once you have those, just select launch. It will freeze for a second, then show the normal screens for the Wii game. Just keep selecting A like you would normally would. And here we have it, and you just select which one you want to use. You can go to Wi-Fi, and then it's just going to connect. Just going to connect. And then I'm just going to do create a room, and you must play with friends in this mod. But let me just show you the different options. You can do double seeker, which is 2 seekers, or you can just disable that with double seeker off. With always win vote, which means that the host will always win the vote for the core select. Timer normal is a 10-minute timer for the hiding. Timer half is 5 minutes, and then timer extreme is an hour. And then hosts always you know, that's pretty much self-explanatory. Allow glitches on and off, that's just to allow glitches. Long distance names, which means you can see the hider's name tags, or you can just turn that off. And then of course star invincibility on and off. And these are pretty cool settings, and I can't wait to see if you guys get on in the future. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.